Hello viewers! In this video, we'll look at MeshInspector's Partitioner tool. It automatically divides a mesh into a specified number of segments and displays the boundaries between them as selected edges. This is useful when you need to split a model for 3D printing or for further editing. You can find it under the Select tab. We click Partitioner, and the tool is applied to our ring-shaped mesh. MeshInspector shows the partition boundaries directly on the model. The Partitioner panel offers three main boundary options. Any curved lets the tool place segment boundaries along both concave and convex curved edges. Concave focuses the boundaries on inward curved areas. Convex focuses the boundaries on outward curved areas. You can also control the number of segments. The higher the value, the more separate sections the tool creates. If we enable Color the segments, MeshInspector colors the resulting segments, making the partitioning easier to read visually. In this example, any curved is selected, the number of segments is set to 2, and Color the segments is enabled. As a result, MeshInspector divides the ring into two large segments and displays them in different colors. At this value, the division is very simple. One segment covers the main flat surface of the ring, while the other follows the curved side areas. Let's increase the number of segments to 3. MeshInspector adds another segment and separates more of the curved geometry. With 4 segments, the partitioning becomes even more specific. After that, we can switch to the Mesh Repair tab and click to Components. MeshInspector converts the partitioned segments into 4 separate mesh objects. We can hide them all and then inspect each one by unhiding them one by one in the scene tree. If we need to separate only one specific segment, or several selected segments, we can do that as well. First, we undo the previous action. Then we go back to the Select tab, click Select Component, and choose the segment or segments we want to separate. It is also possible to select several segments. Just hold the required modifier key while clicking them. After that, we click Selection to Object under Select. Now, only the selected segment or segments are converted into separate mesh objects that coexist with the source mesh. And that is all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay with MeshInspector for more videos.